Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to integrate PayPal payments into WooCommerce. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a PayPal business account set up. If you do not have one yet, you can easily create it on the PayPal website. Now log into your WordPress admin panel where WooCommerce is installed. Navigate to the plugin section and click on add new. In the search bar type PayPal for WooCommerce and hit enter. Look for the plugin developed by PayPal and click install now. Once installed, click on activate. Next, go to WooCommerce settings from your WordPress dashboard. Click on the payments tab. You should see PayPal listed as one of the payment methods. Click on it to configure the settings. Enter your PayPal email address associated with your PayPal business account. This is where your payments will be sent. Choose your preferred PayPal method. Also enable sandbox mode for testing payments without processing real transactions. Configure additional settings such as enabling login for troubleshooting and setting other statuses. Save your changes and you're all set. Your WooCommerce store is now integrated with PayPal, allowing your customers to pay using their PayPal accounts or credit debit cards. That's it for today's quick video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in next video.